Well, I guess it's time to sand this up and get some stain on it, because I'm going to have to put some varnish on the inside where I grooved it, where the blade is going to run. So first thing, get a bit of sanding done on that. Move you up a bit closer. Bring it down. A little bit of filler, the wood fill I got put on, sand that down, and then we're gonna do a little bit of stain on that. Let that dry. And then we're gonna have a look at the keel there. No, earplugs. It's starting to run low. Uh-oh. I lost my puffy ball. I'm going to clamp it, epoxy it, clamp it through it. But I want to get something inside first. I just wanted to get the holes marked. So, perfect. Okay. This one here, I think we'll put the stainless steel sleeve in. I'm not sure. So I'm just thinking about how many times is that going to wear out that hole. So I'll put a little sleeve in there now. Then I got aluminum there and I got stainless pipe. Yeah. 1 inch. Two and 3/16, 2 1/8. Exactly what I was looking for. Washer. There we go. That'll be the tiller bolt. And this typical. Once this is stained, dried, I just want to get a coat of varnish on this where the rudder blade is going to be. Not so much here, just going to be glued and clamped together and screwed. So much nicer. Bit of varnish now. Takes a lot for just a small piece. What looks like minutes on the videos, but this day 2.5, day 3 on that. So next is the blade. So I'm going to start measuring out the rudder blade. We still haven't even got to that yet, the sanding and new coat on that. It is fully cured, hard as a rock. So that's good. Clean up our little work table. Now, that is not very square. I'll try to go off the square side. The blade. This is going to take quite a long time. Metal work always do. But as for the blade, each of these squares is 2 inches. So the hole is 30 by 12. And I got to shape it. A lot of measuring, a lot of drawing. So I'll do it and you'll see it. But I'll fast forward through it. I could have done a straw and then the whole center thing. My biggest thing is once this is cut out, this area here, this is where it attaches to the rudder post. So this might be, I'm going to leave a bit extra here because this might need to be custom fit into the rudder post. So I want to be able to swing it up and down. So this might change here, right here. So I'm going to leave, oh my foot, I'm going to leave a big section here just for fitting. That section. I always cut it out after to fit it. That's the rudder blade outline. Now to cut it out. Now to cut it out without burning shit down. We'll be right back after these messages. This is going to take a while to cut, so we'll see you at the end of it. Hopefully I don't burn my shit down. Once I'm done cutting, I have to wait a little while. So I'll see you at the end of it.
Stay cool out. Why my worst enemy waits for me? Yeah. Talking too loud. Showing the world that
You see where that edge is there. This is up. We gotta cut that a little bit. And we want to pivot it. Comes up the set edge. Remember, this is all going to be sandwiched between the two pieces. I'm just wondering if this should come up a little more. Let the rotor drop more. And I do a rough fit on the boat to see which dry fit without like clamping it all together completely. My block. Where is my block? And cut this off. So that's where it's going to sit at its down position. And then it only tips up a little bit for its up position. So up position is there. This back, that's still drying. I'm gonna finish cutting this. Make sure it fits perfectly.
Oh, this wasn't funny. But it's not very funny right now. And I want it to be. I will be again.
Let's have a look. It's gonna be up to around here somewhere. Yeah, like that. Good to me. Looking like that. Right there. Yeah, it should work. I still got to put a reinforcement plate right here. I'm gonna get cut out a piece of stainless steel to go right here. Epoxy that on. Get this sealed up. I'm gonna put a little piece of epoxy, a little piece of stainless in there. So it won't wear all in, the cracks fill in, the seals all done. Rudder blade is done. So next one, and we'll be finishing, clean this up, stain, and start with the rudder brackets. The pintle and ganchion and pinion, ganchion and pintle. So that goes on the boat, that goes on the rudder. Thanks for coming, watch my boat build. A lot more to come yet. Still got to get back at the keel. Get that sanded down and the dagger board, center board put in dry fit. See how that works. I want to get another coat of paint on that before I put it in. I might leave it in once it's in, so it's in when I flips the boat back down. But that'll be all on another episode. Keep watching, and we'll get there.